Is that viral kitchen gadget on TikTok shop legit, or too good to be true? Let's decode how to spot potential scams and shop with confidence. First, price check. If something seems drastically cheaper than anywhere else, proceed with extreme caution. Scammers often lure you in with unbelievable discounts. Dig into the seller's reputation. Look for a high-star rating, a substantial number of reviews, and how long they've been active. A newer profile with little feedback, big red flag. Read the fine print. Understand TikTok shop's return policies before you buy. What are the conditions? Who pays for shipping? Knowing your rights is key. Be wary of bogus tracking. If the tracking number doesn't work or leads to a different location, it's a sign of a scam. Verify directly on the courier's official website. Stick to secure payment methods. Don't fall for requests to pay through unusual channels. Use TikTok Shop's secure integrated payment system for protection. By being vigilant, researching sellers, and understanding the policies, you can shop safely and discover amazing finds on TikTok Shop. Happy, scam-free shopping.